Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to schedule automatic shutdown on Windows 11. Press the Windows icon. Type Task Scheduler in the search box. Click on the Task Scheduler. Click on Create Basic Task. Give a name to your task. Click on Next. Choose any option. Now you have to choose the option of your duration to shut down your system. Click on Next. Enter data and time. Now enter the time and date to schedule to shut down. Click on Next. Choose Start a program. Click on Next. Enter shutdown.exe in the program. Click on Next. Click on the Finish button. Then you have scheduled your shutdown successfully. Thanks for watching.